This is PAM8403 audio amplifier circuit. It is class D amplifier circuit. It uses the IC 8403A. Now let's see the pin out of this circuit. These three pins are audio input, right audio signal input, left audio signal input, and middle pin is ground. These two are power supply pin. We have to supply plus 5 volt. This is where we have to connect the output speakers. These two are positive negative of right speaker, and here positive negative of left speaker. For the input connection, I am going to use this kind of aux cable. I have connected 3 pins with this jack, left, right and ground. This is for left speaker, the middle one is for right, and this is ground. I have connected the green wire to the ground with white. This is for left, and the orange pin is connected to right one. So according to this, we have to solder with this, connecting the green pin to the ground, connecting the orange pin to the right and the white pin to the left. All the inputs are connected. Now I am connecting the power supply pin. Now I am connecting the speakers. The black pin is negative and yellow pin is positive. All the connections are completed. Now it's time to check our amplifier circuit. We have to supply plus 5 volt. It's the positive and negative. Full volume. Nicely working. So this is how you have to use PAM8403 amplifier circuit. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.